Ford has just revealed its new 2022 E-Transit. It's an all-electric version of its Transit cargo van, but equipped with connected vehicle technology and a starting price of under $45,000. It's designed for use by small and independent businesses, but equipped with new electronics that address and answer some of the concerns from fleet managers, such as keeping track of truck locations and vehicle maintenance. Contractors can use the Pro Power Onboard that turns the E-Transit into a mobile generator with over 2 kilowatts of available power. Customers can use and recharge job site tools like belt sanders or miter saws. The E-Transit delivers an estimated driving range of 126 miles in the low-roof cargo van choice. The E-Transit battery is located underneath the vehicle body and allows up to 487 cubic feet of cargo space inside the largest high-roof extended-wheelbase choice. There are 8 configurations, including 3 roof heights, 3 lengths, plus a chassis cab and cutaway models. Its electric motor should crank out about 266 horsepower with 198 kilowatts of power and 317 pound-feet of torque. Ford will assemble the E-Transit for North America customers at its Kansas City assembly plant in Claycomo, Missouri. We got this response to the E-Transit reveal from Columbus, Ohio Ford dealer and current NADA chairman Rhett Ricart.
That transit van is going to be a huge machine like you've never seen. You're going to see flower companies do it, people that have small deliveries. It's got about 125-mile range, which is perfect. Most of your delivery companies only use like 75 miles a day. So it's going to have plenty of range to be able to do those things.
Ford Motor says that this new E-Transit will be available in late 2021.